So, thank you for showing interest in this course. So, I will start by asking a question. Have you ever wondered why an automobile from different manufacturers costs are so different? Some are in few lakhs, while similar one from another manufacturer will cost probably 2 or 3 times or probably 5 times as much. Or have you ever wondered how space organizations come up with perfect designs in the very first few attempts without making any prototypes? Or how does new aircraft engines or blades or wind turbines are designed? So, the answer lies in an efficient design backed by many hours of computer simulations, employing sophisticated and novel material models for the new materials which are being researched simultaneously. So, what makes these simulations work? The answer lies in the countless advanced algorithms which convert the underlying physics of the problem into a computer program which works seamlessly together, result in a wonderful design artifact which exploit the material to its maximum in terms of the performance under the given working conditions. To be able to design these artifacts demands a thorough understanding of the behavior of the material under different working conditions. Also, the understanding of the mechanical process occurring during the manufacturing of the material and artifacts is essential. Post deployment of the design artifacts, it is also necessary to identify and understand the possible causes of failure and provide for contingencies. To be able to achieve such goals, it is essential that the engineer will need to consider the nonlinear behavior of the material of the artifact during the manufacturing and its response towards the working conditions. These analysis will involve computer simulation which can be performed using the commercial packages or by developing one's own computer code. Okay. So, getting meaningful insights from this simulation requires the users of such packages or the codes have some familiarity with the fundamentals of continuum mechanics, nonlinear finite element formulations and the solution techniques that are employed by these algorithms which go inside these softwares or the computer codes. So, the present course seeks to address this problem by providing a unified introduction to these 3 topics. So, the course is most suited for final year undergraduate or postgraduate students of higher education. Also, people working in industry with graduation in engineering degree or in applied mathematics degree will find this course useful. You have to have some familiarity with statics and elementary concepts of stress is assumed alongside some exposure to finite element method. The course will be sufficiently self-contained with respect to the nonlinear continuum mechanics which will form the bulk of this course. Okay. So, the course starts with a detailed discussion on the origins of nonlinearity in the material behavior. This is followed by introduction to vector and tensor algebra with more focus on the later. Important concepts like linearization, directional derivatives and tensor analysis will be discussed. This will be followed by studying the kinematics of deformation, which is study of motion without reference to the cause. Then this is followed by definition of true stress or the Cauchy stress, followed by development of standard equilibrium equations. As a prelude to finite element formulation which will come later, the equilibrium equations will be recast in the equilibrium integral form known as virtual work. Different stress rates will also be discussed. Basics of isotropic compressible hyperelasticity will be presented. To establish the numerical framework for the solution using Newton-Raphson procedure, the linearization and subsequent discretization procedure of the virtual work will be presented. Finally, we will discuss the setup of Newton-Raphson procedure followed by techniques of line search and arc length method which are used to enhance the performance of Newton-Raphson procedure. With this, I like to invite you to this course, and I hope with this course you will be able to venture into the wonderful world of nonlinear finite element methods. Thank you.